Hi, I'm Carolyn Vossen. I got started in District 622 in 2007. I started my first day on the first day of school that year, and it was a good slide in that summer from my previous job, which was a licensed child care provider in my home for 18 years. One of my good friends worked at Eagle Point, and she let me know about a job opening, so it was a great transition. I retired in June of 2021, and I still wanted to be active and do some work. I like to keep busy because I can't see sitting at home doing nothing. I really enjoy the people I work with and the kids, and so being a sub is wonderful because I get to go to all 7 elementaries and sometimes to the middle school, so it's a nice variety. The most rewarding part of my job is helping the kids that maybe need to make a connection, maybe need their day brightened. Some of our previous Adventure Connection students are now working in the program, so that's a nice plus. I feel like I'm still learning every day. I did have some good mentors along the way. When I found out that I was receiving this award, I was completely caught off guard, unexpected, but felt very honored.
Yeah, nice.
My favorite thing I enjoy about Adventure Connection is I like the craft aspect and playing board games with the kids and being silly. We have different personalities. We have the little ones that just talk so grown up and seem like a little adult, and then you have the little shy, sweet ones that just smile. They don't really talk much. But and then of course there's the ones that like to do a few things they shouldn't, and you kind of got to turn away to laugh because it's kind of cute, but yeah, you have to deal with it. The reason I stayed working after I retired and work so often is because the staff that I work with, it's hard to say no to them because they need their time off, and I like keeping busy, so that's one way for me to keep busy. And I always have the option of saying, sorry, I'm not available. I just heard the other day that someone wanted to work in this program when they got older, and they're probably in first grade, so it's very fun to hear. The summer program at Adventure Connection, I also sub at. It's structured, but structured differently, and it's fun to see the kids that don't go to the same schools come together in the summer, and then the next summer they get to see each other again, and it's fun to see those connections, those friendships from across the schools. I enjoy the staff as much as I do the children, so it's been a great fit for me.